Liar loans. Australians overstating income to get mortgages, says analysis. So people are lying on their income so they get approved for a mortgage. Anyways, liar loans, Australia. So there's people going in there. I don't know how they pulled this off in Australia, saying, yeah, I make 200 grand a year. I want a home. I don't know how they pull that off. UBS's Jonathan Mott says 1/3 of those who took out a mortgage in the past 12 months were not completely factual with their financial information. Why would someone do that? That would make it even worse for you. And why would the bank not verify and do their stupid jobs and check the T4s, do a fucking business, do one of those business, what do you call it? A business check to make sure the person's working at the company, to make sure you know what the person's making in wages, to make sure you know everything that's happening, and you don't include overtime when you're calculating someone's TDS. Anyways, I gotta calm down. Because it's the lender. The lender wants to make the commissions. The lender wants to put the loan on the books. The lender wants to make their institution look good. Because when customers start threatening, they're going to go to other institutions to do business with. Guess what happens? They start flexing rules, and when they flex the rules, guess what? The customer loses. One of Australia's most respected banking analysts has warned there are 500 billion of mortgages of faculty inaccurate mortgages sitting on the books of Australia's banks, with the problem getting worse. That's it. People can't service their debt. I don't know how they could pull this off in Australia, because here in Canada we got a lot of laws. I walk into the bank, I was willing to put 50% down, and I have a 740 beacon score with no gaps on file and no inquiries, and they said don't. UBS banking analyst Jonathan Mott said 1/3 of Australians who took out a mortgage in the past 12 months were not completely factual with their financial information, and the level of inaccurate mortgage applications has risen significantly for 2015 from 27% to 33%. How can you put this up? How can they let so much garbage be put in the books? They're cooking the books. It is found that 67% of respondents stated their mortgage application was completely factual and accurate in 2017, a statistically significant reduction from 2016 at 72%. It found 25% of participants said their application was mostly fraudulent, mostly factual and accurate. 8% said it was partially, and while 1% would rather not say.